Hello sweet friends, welcome to my channel. For today's video I am using this Scrapdiva design die to share with you, and this one is called the swap bag envelope. I will have an affiliate link in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. When you use the affiliate link, it doesn't cost you anything and it helps me and my channel. You can also use Carol 10. So let me go over the dies that you get in this set. There are a lot of dies, okay? So this die right here is your base die, and you just cut this out and fold it on the score lines, okay? That's die number 1. Then you get 2 other dies. This one has a scalloped edge, and this one is plain, which can go on top. So you can use this to decorate the back and the front of your envelope, or you can use this for cards to put inside the envelope. And if you saw some of the design team projects, they did have little either cards or little mini albums to put inside. So you get these 2 pieces. Also, you get this piece right here, which helps to form the pocket. So what you would do is you would glue that to the bottom of here like that, and then fold on the score lines and fold this in and glue it to the back of here. So that goes on top of there. Next, you have your pieces for the designer paper for the front of your envelope, and that's this. And this one goes this way, and then these 2 go on either side. So just a hint, when you're cutting these out, you might want to put them on your designer paper like this, because if you have directional paper, then it will all coordinate together. Like for instance, if you have stripes, that's what I'm referring to. So I'll put that here. They go here. Next, we also have these pieces right here. This one is to decorate the bottom, and these 2 decorate the sides of the envelope. And when I say that, they go on this flap right here, and this one goes on the bottom piece of this, okay? Then you get 2 different type of banners for the top, and I'll show you how I used one of these banners. I did not use this one, but this one you could put on top of here with designer paper. So if you wanted to put cut that in gold and then cut that in white and put it on top and put your letters, that would be great. And you get the word Happy Mail, and you get the shadow behind the Happy Mail. So there are several dies in this set to help you create a beautiful project. So before I show you my project, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? And to all my returning friends and subscribers, thank you so much for your support and your comments. So this is the one that I had shared for my example, and I did put a banner up here with the word elation. This I use on my cruises when I do gift exchanges, and this is the name of the ship that I'm going on later on. And as you can see here, these are the designer paper. You get the die for that, the die for that, the die for that, and this is also what I showed you. You get the scallop die and then the designer piece to put on top. So you can see I did it on both sides. So this is very, very sturdy. So let me show you what else I created. Oh, I didn't share another die with you. I'm so sorry about that. I also used this die. And this is called Conversation Hearts 2. And if you remember, let me go grab it. When we had the first Conversation Hearts, this is what I had created with that. So you could still make one of these with these dies. Just punch a hole and tie some fabric strips. So you could still do that with this die, but I used it in these. And what I did is, we have a lot of stationery themed, I think, dies for the release for April. So when I was looking at this, I was thinking, okay, these need note cards too. So here we have the little box that you make. This is really simple to put together. And I use my Cottage Girls again. And this is the rose petal die from Scrapdiva Designs. And then I made these cards, okay? And I put the Conversation Hearts 2 on the front to decorate the envelope. So you get the words, "You got this," "You are loved," and "handmade." And to make these envelopes, pulled out this again, which I haven't used in a long time. And for this particular project, I made the envelopes. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, just about. I did the 3.5 by 4. So you cut your paper 6.5 by 6.5 and you score 3/8 inch. I won't have a tutorial for that because probably if you have that envelope punch board, you know how to use it. So I created these envelopes, and then again, I created the cards to go inside. And I've kept them very, very simple and flat so that they would fit inside there. And these cards are 4 by 3.5. And it's really, really plain. Just didn't put a lot of embellishments on it so they would fit inside here. And we have this one with this little girl. I did put a little diamond dots to decorate it. I didn't put any sentiments because I wanted to keep these as simple as possible to probably be used as thank you cards or to put with a gift. Okay, and that's this set. And the paper I used is called Mint and Roses, and it is a digital paper set that you can get off of Etsy. And this one here is called Pretty Posy, and it is from First Edition, and I had gotten my paper pad at Joann's, and I don't think it is available anymore. So this is the little cottage girl. That's what it looks front and back. This one says, "Hello, crafty friend." That is really cute. I love that. Here we have another little girl inside. This says, "Goodies." And we have that girl. And let's swap. And we got that girl. So these are really cute to send to your crafty friends. You could use different conversation hearts if you wanted to give a set to your mom for Mother's Day. You could use the ones that say, let's see, the ones from here, handmade, and you are loved, and you got this to like give to your mom if she doesn't craft for a Mother's Day gift. So I hope that you enjoyed this project today. Thank you so much for joining me. I love to have you here. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.